First one was introduction to SAP S4HANA. SAP S4HANA is an intelligent ERP system that is used by the businesses to manage everything uh, from finance, HR, logistics, accounts, inventory. This is centralized system that connects all the departments to one place. We can think of it like a digital brain that help companies run smoothly. Our second topic was different type of SAP projects. There are different types of SAP projects like implementation, where we start from scratch. Second one is support, where we provide the solutions to little problems of the client. Third one is upgrade, and this we uh, upgrade the version of the already installed SAP. And last one is rollout projects. Here we are roll out the if we are excluding means if we are increasing our branch from one place to another place or increase our division, then we use rollout projects. This is for companies that are already SAP using. It's just like implementation is just like building a house, and upgrade project is just like renovating and maintaining it. Now the third one topic was difference between SAP ECC and SAP S4HANA. That was only for us, that we haven't covered in the class. I can tell about this, like ECC is the older version of SAP, while S4HANA is the modern, faster version using real-time data. We can uh, we can understand this like a old landline phone and a smartphone. The fourth topic was implementation methodology. In implementation methodology, the steps are followed to implement SAP in a company, from planning to going live. That I have already. It's like a GPS that guides the SAP projects. That after which step we need to follow. The fifth topic was migration project. In migration project, we move data and processes from old systems like ECC to S4HANA. We can understand the migration project just like we are transferring contacts from our old phone to a new smartphone. These are the five topics that we have covered till last class.